So today, welcome back pala sa ating channel. It's been a while bago ako gumawa ng video. Nabibisi, maraming gawain dito sa bahay. And then guys, so much for that. So today guys is magluluto ako ng dinner namin. So I got some catfish here. I put some salt, pepper, granules, seasoning, and chili flakes. Tapos, I'm just gonna mix it. So, ginamit ko na lang to guys. Yan. So, just gonna mix it. There. And then, after that, after a few minutes, maybe just do it for 5 minutes because you know fish is kind of delicate. So, after a few minutes, this should be ready for frying, and I have my frying pan here. There. And I already have my vegetables here. I don't have no fresh ginger, so I'm using this ground ginger. As long as you have the ginger taste. Just like that. It's very simple ingredients. So I'm heating my pan. Then I'm gonna put my oil. Guys, hindi ko na na-video yung whole process. Na-busy ako, guys. So, ayan. Luto na siya. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng water. Tapos, gumamit ako ng sampalok mix for sour taste. And then, nilagay ko na rin yung ating bell pepper, onion, tapos yung, ginger powder. Tapos, flour, guys, para mag-thick yung ating sauce. So, ayan, guys. Ready na siya. And ready na rin tayong kumain. Tara! Let's kain! Let's go!